Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn any of your photo into a comedy anime style illustration using DreamFace. It's super easy, fun, and you can do it right on your phone with free credits every week. Okay, let's get started. First, just open DreamFace app, and if you don't already have it, just just go to Google Play Store and then download it and then just install it. And once it's ready, just log in using your Google account. And don't worry, DreamFace actually gives you a free package with weekly credits, so you can try out AI filter without spending a cent. Next, after logging in, you will land on the homepage like this. And from here, just tap on AI filter, this one, just tap on it. And then just scroll down until you find stylistic painting sections, this one. And then just search for comedy anime, this one, just tap on it. Next, just simply select the photo that you want to transform. It can be a selfie, a group shot, or even your pet. And once selected, just hit animate. And okay, like this. In just a few moments, your picture will be turned into a super hilarious comedy anime versions like this. And honestly, it's super hilarious. And okay, that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.